Hey y'all, and welcome back to Creations by Savvy Bee. Today we will be making the first creation on this channel and I'm super pumped. We will be making a roast in a crock pot. That is what I'll be showing you how to do today, and I'm super pumped. I love making crock pot videos. The main reason I love crock pot meals is because of time. Because you're cooking this crock pot meal and you're prepping maybe in the morning or on lunch, your meal is going to be ready when you get home. And that means less time in the kitchen, less time cooking, less dishes to clean up, and just more time with your friends and your family, spending time with your loved ones. And so without further ado, let's learn how to cook this awesome crock pot roast.
Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to get is your carrots. I got the baby carrots because you don't have to cut them up and it's a lot simpler. And I did a 1-pound bag that you can get these from Walmart for around $1, I do believe so. The next thing you're going to want to grab are your 4 large potatoes. I halfway skinned them or halfway peeled them just because I don't like the complete peel on them. And then once I did this, you will then cut them into small little cube sized pieces. And I just put all of my cut up potatoes onto a tray with my carrots. And once you get all your potatoes off the cutting board, you can wash it down and then grab your next ingredient, which is an onion. Then we're going to chop this finely as well. Once the onion is fully chopped up, we will add it to our tray with our carrots and potatoes. As you can tell it's already so delicious. And on the onion, it is your choice if you'd like to leave the skin on. I prefer to take it off. So once we have all our veggies, and this is also one of the steps you could do the morning of and then place it in the fridge. We then will get the crock pot out. I use the Pioneer Woman crock pot, and I as well always use a liner in the crock pot just to make for easy cleanup and less dishes. I got the Chuck Tender Roast. I bought this from Walmart, and I did a little over 1.5 pounds of roast. It was just me and David, so I didn't need too big of a roast. Next, you just place your roast in the middle of the liner. And then you grab your tray of veggies and dump them all over the roast. It's okay if it's a little messy, just make sure you get all your veggies on top of the roast. Next you'll want to grab chicken broth. I use the Great Value brand, as you can tell, and I probably poured about a cup over this. You just want to make sure that the bottom is covered and your roast has some on there. And then you add your seasonings. I chose to do salt, of course, and then I also chose to do pepper as well, and you can mix these up while you are doing this. And then another season I chose is, of course, Cavender's. It makes everything 3 times better, I believe. That's my personal opinion though. Anyways, and so yes, after you add your seasonings, you can mix it up a little. And then once you've added all the seasonings you would like, you can cook on high for 4 to 6 hours, and then it'll be ready to go.
Alright, so as you can tell, it was a super simple, easy meal. It's one of the main reasons I love roast, and it is a comfort food. It makes me happy. And it's super easy to you can put leftovers in the fridge and then just warm up. It's a very easy, great go-to meal. You can eat on it for a couple of days. That's why it's amazing. I mean, you could eat it on breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you want. That's what I do. But anyways, so thank y'all for watching and for joining in on today's first creation, and I'll see you next time.